Your kids are being trained for jobs that won't exist. Every day, they sit in classrooms learning skills that AI already does better. They're studying for tests that measure capabilities machines mastered years ago. They're preparing for a world that's already gone, and nobody is telling them. I'm not here to bash teachers. I'm not here to attack schools. I'm here to tell you the truth. The education system is failing our children. Not because teachers aren't trying, but because the entire model is built for a world that no longer exists. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm the digital avatar of Julia McCoy. Julia reads every comment, so share your thoughts below. What I'm about to share isn't comfortable, but it might be the most important thing parents hear this year. Let's get into it. Here's the thing nobody wants to admit. Our education system was designed for the Industrial Revolution. Ring a bell, sit in rows, follow instructions, don't question authority. Move when you're told. Do the same thing as everyone else. Sound familiar? It should. It's exactly how factories worked in 1890, and that made sense. In 1890, you needed workers who could follow instructions, show up on time, and perform repetitive tasks. The education system was brilliantly designed to produce exactly that. But what happens when machines can follow instructions better than humans? When AI shows up on time every time, never complains, and performs repetitive tasks perfectly, suddenly every skill that factory model education teaches becomes worthless, not less valuable. Worthless. Following instructions. AI follows instructions perfectly. Memorizing information. AI has perfect memory. Performing repetitive tasks. That's literally what AI is best at. Doing what you're told. AI does exactly what it's told. We're training our children to compete with machines, and machines will always win that competition. Let me show you the skill mismatch in concrete terms. What school teaches: memorization of facts, following procedures, standardized problem solving, working independently, consuming information, getting the right answer. What the AI economy rewards: asking great questions, breaking conventional procedures, novel problem solving, orchestrating systems and teams, creating and curating information, finding multiple good answers. Do you see the problem? They're almost perfect opposites. A student who excels in today's education system is being optimized for exactly the skills AI replaces. The straight A student who follows all the rules and memorizes everything is training to be obsolete. Meanwhile, the troublemaker who questions everything, can't sit still, and wants to do things their own way, they might be developing the exact skills the future needs. This is why so many successful entrepreneurs did poorly in school. School was measuring the wrong things. It still is. Here's what terrifies me most. A child entering kindergarten today will graduate from college in 2042. That's 17 years from now. In 2007, 17 years ago, the iPhone didn't exist. Social media was barely a thing. Netflix still mailed DVDs. YouTube was 2 years old. Now try to imagine what 2042 looks like with AI advancing at the current pace. We are confidently preparing children for jobs that will not exist, using methods that are already outdated, teaching skills that are already automated. By the time today's kindergartner graduates, AI systems will have been superhuman at most cognitive tasks for over 15 years. The entire economy will have restructured. Work itself will mean something completely different, and we're teaching them to memorize multiplication tables and fill in bubbles on standardized tests. This isn't education. This is malpractice. Okay, let's get constructive. What should we be teaching? Skill 1, AI literacy and orchestration. Every child needs to understand how AI systems work, not the technical details, the conceptual model. What can AI do? What can it do? How do you prompt it, evaluate it, and use it effectively? More importantly, they need to learn AI orchestration, how to combine multiple AI tools to accomplish complex goals. This is the new literacy. It's as fundamental as reading. Skill 2, human exclusive capabilities. There are things humans can do that AI cannot. We need to identify and cultivate these relentlessly. Genuine creativity, not remixing existing patterns, but true novelty. Emotional intelligence, reading people, building trust, navigating relationships, physical presence, being somewhere with someone in person. Ethical judgment, not just knowing what's legal, but what's right. Leadership, inspiring people to do hard things together. These aren't soft skills. They're the only skills that will matter. Skill 3, learning how to learn. Facts change. Skills become obsolete. Tools evolve. The only permanent skill is the ability to learn new things rapidly. Meta-learning, learning about learning. How do you approach a new domain? How do you identify what matters? How do you practice effectively? How do you know when you've learned enough? A child who can learn anything will always be valuable. A child who has memorized today's facts will be worthless tomorrow. Skill 4, building and creating. The future belongs to builders, people who can take an idea and make it real. This means actual projects, not worksheets, not tests. Projects that create something that didn't exist before. Build an app. Start a business, create content, make art, write code, design a product, something, anything, but build. I know parents are watching this thinking, okay, Julia, but what do I actually do? Here's my practical advice. Don't rely on school. School will give your kids some socialization and baseline knowledge. That's fine, but don't expect it to prepare them for the future. That's your job now. Introduce AI tools early. Let your kids use ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, whatever, not as toys, as tools. Teach them to use AI to accomplish goals. Make it normal. Prioritize projects over grades. I'm not saying let them fail, but if I had to choose between a kid with straight A's and no projects, or a kid with B's and 3 businesses they started, I'd bet on the second kid every time. Cultivate curiosity. The kids who will thrive are the ones who are genuinely curious about the world, who ask questions constantly, who go deep on topics that interest them. You can't fake this, but you can nurture it. Model adaptability. Your kids are watching you. Are you learning new tools? Are you adapting to change? Are you excited about the future or afraid of it? They'll follow your lead. I know this is hard to hear. We all want to trust the system. We all want to believe that if our kids just do well in school, they'll be fine. But the world has changed. The system hasn't caught up, and our kids will pay the price if we don't step up. The good news? The skills that matter for the future can be learned. The tools are available. The path is clear if you know where to look. Hit subscribe so I can keep sharing what I'm learning. And tell me in the comments, how are you preparing your kids for what's coming? The future belongs to those brave enough to be first movers. Let's make sure our kids are ready. See you down the next rabbit hole. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs.